Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Shein account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, make sure that you have downloaded your Shein app. Now open the app. Here, click on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then click on the option that says sign in/register. Here, if you had used your Google account or Facebook account while creating an account, then click on those options respectively in order to log in. Or if you had used your mobile number or email address, then you'll have to enter it in the text box. Then tap on Continue button. After that, follow through the prompts and fill in the information that is required in order to log in. And that is how you can log into Shein account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.